We hired Marvins to set up our emailing campaigns, and we immediately saw results from their work. Um, the fundamental the task we asked them to do was to set up our fundamentals. So that's optimizing our pop-ups, but also our welcome flows and post-purchase flows, et cetera, et cetera. And we immediately saw a lift in our email capture rate, but also we started to see very high click-through rates and activity back on our site, which is exactly what we were after. They were able to extract the full value from our existing list, but also from the Klaviyo software. They've got a lot of features, a lot of segments, etc. And they know how to extract full value from the platform. The best thing working with Marvin's was their communication, very clear, very concise, and very professional. And most importantly, they know how to sell. They know how to sell their skills, and they know how to sell your products. I had no hesitation working with them again or recommending them to anyone else.